Right. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Sovereignty, where we talk about building wealth and achieving financial freedom through crypto. And today, I want to do a deep dive into a project that I've been watching closely, Metis. This one of those layer 2 solutions that doesn't get as much hype as Arbitrum or Optimism. But the more I dig into it, the more I see a serious potential. Now, I haven't bought in yet, but Metis is definitely in my watch list. I'm going to tell you exactly why. And what we'll cover, this is their white paper here. We'll talk about what Metis is and what it matters and the real world problem it solves, its market potential and competition, the team and backers behind it, and why I'm keeping a close eye on this one. And as always, guys, this is not a financial advice, just me sharing my research and thoughts. So let's jump in, okay? So, what is Metis? Metis is an L2 scaling solution for Ethereum, providing more efficient and scalability platform for decentralized application and transaction. Its primary aim to improve scalability while reducing costs to accelerating the the evolution of Web3 landscape. This solution by Metis is not only accessible to ardent Web3 enthusiasts, but also to seasoned developers, allowing seamless incorporation into diverse projects. The Metis L2 functions through its native Metis token, which serves pivotal roles being used transactions, fees, locking to become sequencer and fraud challenge incentives. So, and if you ever tried to use Ethereum, the network's busy, you know how brutal it can get, right? High gas fees and slow transaction speed. And Metis fixes that using their optimistic rollups. It's a technology that batches transaction off chain and sends them back to Ethereum in one go, pretty much, right? And what does this mean for you? So you'll have faster transactions, up to 90% lower gas fees, scalability without sacrificing decentralizations. But here's where Meta stands out, in my opinion. It's not just scaling solution; it's building on an entire Web3 ecosystem. So tools for DAOs, Web3 businesses, and DeFi projects. So while the other layer 2 focuses on transactions, Metis is laying the foundation for decentralized economy. And what problem is Metis is solving? So Ethereum is powerful, but it's also expensive and congested, right? So this is where Metis come in. We've all seen times when gas fees hit $100 plus per transactions, and that's just sustainable for most people, right? So this creates huge barriers for mass adoptions. So Metis tackles this by cutting transaction costs by up to 90%, speeding up transaction times, providing infrastructure for Web3 businesses and DAOs to build and grow. And DAO part is important. Right now, starting and managing DAO can be complex and messy. Metis simplifies this and giving projects that tools they need to manage their communities, finances, governance, and easily, efficiently. Now, let's look at their market potential and competition. Okay, let's talk about market size and where Metis fits in. The layer 2. So the layer 2 space is booming for good reason, right? Ethereum can handle global demand on its own, right? So, and a layer 2 solution are essential for scalability. So you got Metis is up against some big names, including Arbitrum. Right now, the biggest layer 2 by TVL. And you got Optimism, another major player using optimistic rollups. And also Polygon, a sidechain offering its own scaling approach. But Metis brings something unique to the table. It's more decentralized than most of its competitors, and it offers built-in DAO and Web3 businesses tools. It's focused on real-world application, not just transactions. That said, Meta still has a lot to prove in terms of adoptions, TVL, the total value locked, and Arbitrum and Optimism have head start. Okay, but Metis is growing fast, and that's why I'm keeping an eye on it. And let's actually look at their team behind it. Excuse me. So here's the team, guys. Co-founder Elena, Yon, Kevin, and Natalia. And Natalia is actually Vitalik's mom. And Elena, I'm sure you guys came across her. It's the veteran in blockchain development and the co-founder of Crypto Chicks, a global organization supporting women in blockchain. The team's experience and the vision of Web3 make them well positioned to execute on Meta's ambitious goals. Plus, they're deeply focused on decentralization, which for me, I think is key for long-term success in this space. And let's look at their partnership here, actually. So their partnership, they're partnered with DeFi. It's a decentralized finance project. Paid Network. It's a launchpad. Excuse me. And Parzik. And another one here, Ethena. Metis announced that their strategic partnership with Ethena, it reflects its interest in return generating assets like synthetic fiat, etc. Right? And also, this is back in 2024. Chainlink integrate Metis integrated Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol to enhance cross-chain functionality, initially focusing on transferring stablecoin from Ethereum to Metis network. So they got some good partnership here, guys. And also, when I'm searching for a project, I always ask who's backing it, right? And Metis actually have some solid backers and partnership, right? Let's look at their backers. Genesee DAC, a decentralized autonomous company funding Web3 projects, and crypto VCs and angel investors who believe in layer 2 scaling and Web3 infrastructure. So, as an investor, seeing smart money involved always gives me more confidence and that I'm looking at something worth watching, right? That's really the key. The partnerships and the backers, right? And the team especially. Okay? And now really quick here, the tokenomics is here. So they got about token maximum supply is about 10 million. The initial was almost 50% lifetime supply Metis. Swiss Prima circulating supply is already up there. And 9% for the community development, 6% for liquidity reserve, 7% for founding team, 4% Metis lab, an angel Angel investors on 1%, 3% is in community start. Okay, so this is their tokenomics, guys. Actually, not bad, actually, but 10 million total supply is kind of not bad. Okay, has some little bit of scarcity there. And so here's my thought process. So why am I watching Metis closely? But what do I think about this project? I think this project, based on their development and what they're doing, their partnership backers and the team, and what the problem they're trying to solve, pretty much just enhance Ethereum, right? Now they got competition, right? But competition is good. Do you think it's gonna be all Arbitrum's market? No, there's always gonna be a slice of the pie for Metis, right? If you look at, as an investor, I'm looking at optimism, right? It's setting at over 1 billion, almost 2 billion, okay? And look at Arbitrum. Similar price, similar market cap, I'm saying. 1 billion, almost 2 billion, okay? So, and if you look at Metis, 137 million. Now, all the new investor, you don't want to be paying attention to the price, because if you look at this, you might think, oh, it's really expensive. But when you do research your coins, you want to look at the market cap first, okay? That's the main thing. And based on the TVL, etc., and the price, as an investor, which one is got more potential? Meaning multiplier on your investment, massive opportunity investment that can get you incredible return, ROI. Okay, now Metis, let's look at their historical price. All-time high was $323, guys. Okay, now this price at the moment is down 93%. Okay, pretty much all altcoins are getting wrecked at the moment, so that's not just Metis. Okay, so it's saying $22. All-time high was 323. This is a good entry, guys. It has been good entry the whole year, pretty much, right? So if you've been DCAing on this project, that's good for you, and I'm sure you got in. Your price average probably really in the bottom low, so that's a massive opportunity. Okay, Metis, I think it's gonna be massive. Layer 2, I think, based on their team and their connections with the Ethereum as well, and the founder, etc., right? But I am paying closely onto this one, so I will be DCing soon. I'm gonna put it on watch list at the moment while I dig more into it, etc., right? So, but what's next? If Metis continues building and growing its ecosystem, I could definitely see myself putting a lot, I mean accumulating massively. Okay, so I'm sure we'll see TVL growth, we'll see more partnership, dApps launching on Metis, community developers activity, etc., right? And when that time's right, that would be massive for this project and for the Metis holders. Okay, guys, Metis, if it delivers on its vision, this could be a long-term winner. That's just my opinion. Okay, do make sure you do your own research, and I'm still gonna continue doing my own research onto this project. Okay, but like I said, I'll be ready when that time's come. Okay, I think this is gonna be a winner. This is gonna be a big winner in my opinion. But any of you guys hold Metis, are you bullish on Metis, or are you waiting on the market to recover? And let's talk about it in the comments, okay? If you found this deep dive helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification. Guys, let me know if you guys enjoy this kind of video, just, you know, doing a deep dive on new projects. For me, I enjoy it because to be able to just showcase a project, and a lot of investors are always looking for a high potential project, right? So if I can get it to you guys, share and do my research, and also you gotta do your own research when you see it, right? So hope you guys like this kind of video. Let me know in the comments, because I've got more crypto research on long-term investment insights coming your way, okay? So stay sovereign, stay decentralized, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.